Jeans and a t-shirt. It doesn't get much more basic than that. But basic doesn't have to be boring. Hello everyone, it's me Serena. Thank you so much for stopping by today. You know, this is a topic that I have been requested to do multiple times, and I listen to you guys and I try to bring you content that I know you're looking for. And I know that a lot of you have casual lifestyles. You know, you're not out here dressing up every day. A lot of you are retired, so you're not going to work every day anymore, or you work in a very casual environment. And you're looking for just ways to dress up simple things like a t-shirt and jeans. And that is what we're going to do today. I have 10 different outfits that include jeans and a t-shirt, and we're going to get straight into the try-on. As a reminder, everything that I'm showing in today's video, well, you might have these in your closet already or something similar, but if you're looking for something specific that I show, the links will always be down in the description. And yes, there are pictures at the top of the description of some of the items. Those are the items that I can link using my YouTube links, but I can't always use the YouTube links for everything. So to get everything, you're gonna need to open up that description box fully. And to do that, you just tap anywhere on the screen while you're watching this video, and then tap on the title of the video and the description box will pop open. You might have to hit where it says ... more, tap on that, and it'll open up the entire thing. And that's where I put all my discount codes, my sizes and everything. All those details are down there in the description. And I'll even put a link to this sweater that I'm wearing today. I don't know if this cream and black one is still available, but it did come in some additional colors, so I'll put it down there in the description too. And yes, my hair is kind of wild today. I tried to do something different to it, and I'm wanting to wear it curly again, and my hair is just not quite long enough to get that wave in it that I need, and it ends up looking kind of crazy. So today's hair was a bit of a fail, but I already had my footage for today's video filmed previously, so my hair looks good in the try-ons. The first outfit, yes, it's jeans, but they're not blue. This is a pair of ecru colored jeans from Madewell. I love Madewell jeans. They're exceptional quality and they are a mid price point. You know, they're not up there with a designer denim, but they're not cheap either. So they're a good middle of the road denim brand. Madewell and J. Crew. I love both of them. And yes, you can wear these in winter. These are actually an ecru color. They may be coming off as white on the screen, but they're an off-white. And I usually wear these in the cooler months, or I can wear them in summer too, but I don't wear a bright white in the winter. I try to keep it to an ivory or ecru like these. And with these jeans, I'm wearing a t-shirt from J. Crew Factory. It's just a little long sleeve striped tee in kind of this camel and ivory stripe. And the outfit would be okay on its own, but really it's what you put with it that makes it look more intentional and like a thought out outfit. So I added this little mocha brown vest that I picked up a few months ago from Evereve, and I've added my suede boots. And now this looks like an outfit. And when you're dressing in very basic ways like this, like I am in this entire video today, you want to pay attention to the details. You know, don't forget your jewelry. Don't forget your earrings, a necklace of some kind, a bracelet. It doesn't have to be anything like big or like a statement piece, but just don't forget those details, because those are the things that separate an outfit from just being, you know, something you threw on to a styled outfit. In this next outfit, I've got on the same jeans, and this time I'm wearing a cotton kind of camel colored teddy sweater from J. Crew Factory. I love these sweaters, and they're very, very thin for a sweater. They're like a thick t-shirt, but they're great for layering, and I love them because they're 100% cotton. So with that little teddy sweater, I layered over it this ivory colored quilted vest from Chico's. I just love this vest. It's got some faux fur trim around the edges and around the pockets, and it has this diamond quilted pattern, and it's just a really cute vest. And now this is not a down vest. It's got a synthetic lining in it, but these are on sale right now, and they came in a few different colors. I don't know about the availability of the ivory, but it may still be out there in some sizes. And I still have on those same suede boots as in the previous outfit. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of different looks, changing out that third item. And you're going to see throughout this entire video that really it's that third piece that you add to jeans and a t-shirt that elevate it and make it look like an outfit. So first here, I swapped it out the vest for this tan moto jacket. This is a faux leather. It's by Sofia Vergara. I got it at Walmart last fall. I will link it, and I'll also link another moto jacket because this particular one may be sold out. So I'm going to link another one that I found that comes in a color similar to this. And then again, just to show you a different look, swapped out the jackets to a classic denim jacket. And this is another way you can just wear a t-shirt and jeans and throw on a denim jacket. It's very casual. You could even wear this with some cute fashion sneakers. But I kept the boots on, and this gives you another idea of how to wear off-white or ecru jeans in winter, all the way into spring. If you enjoy these types of styling videos, want to see more like them, please give this video a thumbs up, and that way I'll know to create more content like this. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button. I would love to have you stick around here with us. And if you'll hit that button and the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I put out new content. Because I can tell from some of the comments I'm getting from people, you're not seeing my videos when I publish them. So if you want to be sure to see everything that I publish, whether it's a video or a post over on the community tab, then you're going to want to hit that little bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I post new content on YouTube. Now we're going from white to black. Styling a pair of black jeans. These are a kick flare jean from Madewell. Are they Madewell? They're either Madewell or J. Crew. I can't remember, but I will link them down below. And my white t-shirt is from Quince. Y'all know I love Quince for basics. They have really good quality basic pieces at a great price. So that's where the little white tee came from. And I styled it with something that was on trend last year, and I'm seeing it everywhere for this spring, and that is these little cropped trench jackets. And this one came from Amazon, so it's a really good price. I was in Old Navy the other day and I saw that they have one, but I will link this one down below. And it's just a cute way to top off, you know, this outfit, and this is going to carry you into spring. Now, I wore loafers with this, some little black loafers, and yes, you could wear socks with the loafers to keep your feet and ankles warm, or you could wear some black booties with this outfit. I just put on loafers for something different, but this gives you another idea. And just like those ivory color jeans, you could swap out the same jackets with the black jeans. You could put on the tan moto jacket, you could put on the blue denim jacket, just rotate out those third pieces to your outfit to get a styled look. Okay, now I finally have on some blue jeans, and these are a slim straight pair of jeans. These are by Liverpool, and someone told me that they went to buy these and they were already sold out. So I will check status on these and make sure that they're in stock wherever I link them, or I will link a pair very similar. And again, I've got on that same white Quince t-shirt, and I topped it off with this kind of longer, collarless blazer from Nick and Zoe. They're calling this a knit blazer, and it is. It's made out of knit fabric, so it's kind of stretchy, but just the cut of this is, I think, is really slimming and lengthening, so I really like it. And the way the neckline is made, you know, you can wear a shirt or blouse with a collar underneath it. I just did the t-shirt, but it would be really pretty with a shirt or blouse that has some kind of collar with the jeans. And with this look, I chose these Mary Jane flats that are studded with little silver studs on them. And so keeping with that silver theme, I added this layered necklace from Chico's. And the earrings are from Chico's last year. I don't think they're available anymore, but they're just like a little heart-shaped silver-toned earring. But this necklace, I think, is still available, so I'll be sure to link it for you with this outfit down below. If you want to see all these outfits and more, plus collages that my assistant creates with all different kind of outfit ideas, then you're going to want to follow me on the LTK app. And let me just take a minute to point out a couple of things that I think there's some confusion over on LTK about what do you do when you get there. So this is what you do. When you're in LTK and say you're looking at this post, this is a little outfit collage that my assistant put together, and you like that blouse. Well, what do you do if you want to shop for that blouse? Do you see the little pictures right there underneath the post, underneath the collage? Each one of those pictures is an item in that collage. All you have to do is tap on the item you're interested in. That is the link. Those little pictures are the links. You just tap on the picture and it'll take you, in this case, to the Nordstrom website, and you can look at the blouse there, put it in your shopping bag, whatever you want to do. Same thing, if you're interested in the jeans, just tap on the jeans. It's going to take you over to, in this case, it's Nordstrom, where the jeans are from, and that way you can shop for the jeans there. So the pictures are the links. Here in this post, this is a little video that I did and posted out to LTK. If you see this outfit on LTK and you want to shop one of these items, just scroll up a little bit, because all the pictures are right there underneath it. The pictures are the links. So that's what's going to take you to whatever store this item is from, in case you want to shop it, buy it, whatever. And you can always tap the little heart on the outfit or on the individual item and save it for later. So that's how it works in the LTK app. All right, next I have a different pair of jeans. These are my barrel jeans cut from the cloth, and I am really having fun styling these jeans. And these are not an exaggerated barrel jean, they're more like kind of a slouchy jean, and they're very comfortable. And here I've teamed them up with a basic black t-shirt, and of course that would be very plain. So I topped it off with that same mocha color vest from earlier in the video and my brown Ugg booties. And this is just a cute, casual, everyday outfit for now. And as you can see, I added in some jewelry. You don't want to skip the jewelry. I've got on this layered gold necklace and some little bracelets and gold earrings. And like I said, that just makes the outfit look finished and more intentional when you don't forget those accessories. Now here I took the same black t-shirt and barrel jeans and I dressed them up a little bit. And I really like this outfit. I think it turned out really cute. And I topped it off with this leopard print cardigan. This cardigan is from Amazon. It's very reasonably priced, and it's got a nice weight and feel to it, and it's got gold buttons. And I added a black belt, and for my shoes, I added these black ballet flats from Chico's that have little gold studs on them. And I think this turned out just really cute. This shows how you can take the same pair of jeans and wear them very casually, like I did with the Ugg boots and the vest, but you can take the same pieces and just add a cardigan, add some cute shoes, some jewelry, and you have a totally different look. Next up, I'm still wearing that plain black t-shirt, but I've put on a different pair of jeans. These are from Chico's, and they are amazing. They are the Girlfriend So Slimming flare jeans. And as you can see, the flare is not anything too crazy. It's more like a boot cut, maybe a wide boot cut, I don't know. But the fit on these is so good. And the So Slimming line at Chico's has these tummy slimming panels built into the pants or the jeans, and they really flatten out your tummy. I mean, they do an amazing job. And these fit snug around your hips and thighs and then flare out at the bottom. Now in Chico's jeans, I go down a size because Chico's jeans have a lot of stretch. I normally wear a size 4 in most jeans, but in these, I'm wearing a Chico's size 00, which is the equivalent of a regular size 2. And I don't know why they have their sizes like that. It's so confusing. But it is the equivalent of a 2. But it's because they do run kind of generous, plus they have a lot of stretch. So that's the size I'm wearing. Now, if you like a looser fit, maybe go with your normal size. But I do find that Chico's jeans run a little big, plus they have a lot of stretch. So I can size down. And with this look, I topped it off with the J. Crew Juliet Coatigan that you guys have seen so many times on my channel. And I like having this long line then with the flare jeans. I think it's just a very lengthening look. I'm only 5'2", so anything that can make me look longer and taller, I like. But just so you know, in these jeans, I'm not wearing a petite. I'm wearing these in a regular inseam length because all my height is in my legs. So I hardly ever wear petite pants or jeans because they're too short on me. So these are a size 00 regular. And I'm wearing a pair of black suede ankle boots with this outfit. And again, I've got my gold jewelry on to round out the look. And here I have just swapped out that long cardigan for a faux leather moto jacket. You could swap out any kind of jacket with this look, but this is just one that I've had for a couple of years, and it's actually a very dark green that you can probably see when I'm close to the camera, but from a distance it probably looks black. But it's a pretty dark green, and you can top it off with any color jacket. You know, you could keep the black top and the black boots and just change out a different color, you know, blazer, a different color leather or faux leather jacket. Any of these is going to work. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you some new ideas of how to mix and match things that you already have. But if you're interested in any of the things that I've shown in today's video, they are linked down in the description. Thank you all for joining me today. And until I see you in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye.